Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I have something to show you outside. It's snowing. Okay, let's go. See, look at outside. Have a lot of snow. Here, open this. There you go. See the snow, but it's not sticking in the driveway. Okay, we're going outside. There you go. I go outside, RJ. Here he is. Here he is. Look at the mountain, you cannot see. Yeah.
I want to go outside too.
You want to go outside too?
Yeah.
Okay, put your jacket and boots.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to put it on.
Yeah. Okay, go. There you go. It's snowing. Look at the snow. Oh, here in the grass is sticking now. There is. It's so cold. At that, the snow. There, the snow, RJ. You want to go now? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put your jacket.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this still frozen?
Okay. Put your jacket now. It's so cold. Okay. Okay. So cold, RJ. Hmm? Okay. Put your foot. Okay. No, it's so cold, RJ. Yeah. RJ is there. What? Wow. Nice. See the snow, RJ. Oh, it's so cold, RJ.
You want to come out here?
Yeah.
Come out
Look at this snow, RJ.
Come out here.
What?
Come out.
No, wait. Wait, RJ. Wait. Oh, no, RJ. Say hi. RJ, say hello. RJ, say hello. RJ. Oh, you have pajamas, RJ. It's so cold. You have pajamas. No, RJ.
Come with me now.
Okay, go there.
Come with me.
Okay.
Come with me, Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, we go run there. Okay, guys, we go to play in the snow.
Come
We go.
here.
We go.
You too. Let me go.
I beat you. I have no blood pressure. So cold, RJ.
hit in my eye.
You hit in your
My
eye?
nose.
Oh no. Here is at least the snow, RJ. You cannot see. You see, it's so dark. But RJ. Oh, no. RJ. At that, RJ. Here is.
Mommy.
What?
Mommy, I catch one on my tongue.
Wow! You cut in your tongue?
Yeah.
You make it wet now. See?
Like what?
Oh, make wet, RJ. Look at that, your pajamas. See? It's so wet, ano, RJ. Oh no. Here, RJ. Oh no, RJ. You cold now? RJ, you cold? RJ? I make me wet now, RJ. Ah. I go here. I look at the view. Here's the view of the neighbor. View of the neighbor, RJ, look.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Snowing. There's my garden. Have snow now. Look at the mountain. It's white all there. RJ, where are you? Where are you, RJ?
Yeah. Good luck.
Here is RJ. You like the snow, RJ?
Just like
Okay, we go now inside. RJ, we go inside now. Huh? You like there? It's so cold. I'm freezing now. RJ. Okay. Okay, we're here. See the snow, guys? You see it, the snow. Oh no, I have so many snow, RJ. Oh no. RJ. Come here, RJ. Here. We go here. Chido, we go here. We go, RJ, we go here. Here, come here. It's so cold. You have no gloves, RJ. Oh no. Look at the snow, RJ. Oh. Wow, it's thick here, RJ. But that's snow, RJ. Where are you, RJ, now? What you doing there? What you doing? Oh, there is RJ. You go there in the basement. You go in basement. Oh, no. Here he is. Oh, so cold. So cold, RJ. Wow, it's so cold. Okay. I show you the rope if it's taking the snow or not. Look at in.
I'll catch one. Key, I'll
no,
rip.
look at the snow.
Ah!
The rope is white.
No.
Look at that.
Ugh. Look at me.
Look at the
Guys.
snow. It's thick now in the
Look at
rope,
me.
RJ.
Look at me.
What? Eh, look at you, RJ. You wet now.
Yeah.
Oh no. Where's RJ? It's wet.
So Daddy's inside watching NASCAR.
What?
Daddy's outside watching NASCAR over there.
Yeah, you're watching Daddy NASCAR.
We go here.
Yeah,
What's
okay, get there. Oh, there's RJ. You cannot. Ow! The ice is inside my eyes, RJ. Hey, come here, RJ. Come here,
What's this?
RJ. That's the aircon. The air condition. Yeah. Okay, we go. We go, go run there. Go run. Oh no, RJ. Oh, so cold now here. This is my garden. Small garden here. Here is RJ. You have no gloves, RJ. You have no gloves. Oh, no. Okay. RJ. Wow, it's so cool, RJ. That RJ. Okay, take picture.
No.
Okay, okay, take picture. Don't do that. You just close your mouth. Close. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Yay! Look at this.
You got a shoe, Mommy.
Huh?
Look at that shoe.
Make what? No.
Yeah.
Oh no. Okay guys, look at this. Here we go. After 2 hours. It is 6 o'clock now, so that's the snow and make taker. And tomorrow we're going to shovel the driveway. There. Look at the neighbor rope. It's so white there. One thing you cannot see. There. Oh, so cold outside. It's 6 o'clock. The light is light up now. Light up in the house. Oh, I'm cold now. I go inside. So cold. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, shares, and subscribe. See RJ.
Look at me.
Say bye-bye.
Yeah, look at
Bye-bye.
me.
Yeah. Say bye-bye, RJ.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.